You know, when people say this cleansing thing, it's almost sounding as if they are going to go and wash, bathe. But now, if you have now something beyond the ocho, right? Something is sprinkling the dirt, the dirtiness, the bad aura, as you pointed out, on the person. So the cleansing is to go and appease, settle those things, whoever it is that is casting the aura. This particular ritual, this Ikwal ritual, a lot of people ask me about it, and I wish I was involved with it. But Ikwal Abulo here, you don't just go and get involved in it. Even the Dibia that I give people his number, he does not even do it. He says that he has somebody else that does it, you get. So yeah, I've not even been checking up on people to even know how the thing goes. But because the ritual is very serious, not be every Dibia they do Igbo. Most people know they put hand for them. Because only Elisi Dibias die from trying to do Igbo for somebody. So people are very careful with it because it's human blood, right? So, but I can send you his number and you ask him. Alternatively, you can ask your village Ajani of your village, and they should be able to do it. But in the meantime, before you may the wall, maybe you can do an easy way to the ezumezu of that individual, right? Jilan Xiani Mekwaya Quanelia Woodilia, you pay on the right way date one. Make him just accept this blood. So say you go do the right way date one. Because the thing that you have an issue with the multitude of in spirits. You get the spirits will follow. Two parts, you get a child, right? The mother side, the father side, the child, you can get if it's male or associated or deities, the ada, right? The female, if it's female. The milie, you know what I'm saying? Just the entities, the India get away follow. And you get the children. So now them they born madu the uchu that has to be cleaned by Iqwal. Oh my god no. G C K. Nchata Kali.